What's going on, guys? As you can see, I'm installing my hand guards. Alright, so quick tip, if you guys are looking to have a nice clean edge, as you can see on this side, nice and clean, nice and straight, just take this hose clamp, tighten it very lightly, just give it a quick tighten, and then you take the utility knife, just score it all the way around. So the hose clamp gives you a little bit of guide because the grip is soft, as you can see. So you get a nice clean edge when you do that. As you can see here and right over here. So like I said, just a quick tip. If you guys are anal like me, easy way to get a nice clean edge. Put a hose clamp and score with a utility knife. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.